Okay, this is the first start after putting the engine back together again. Fingers crossed. Ooh! Glad that noise went away quickly. There's no oil in the tensioners or anything. Sounds good. Just wait for it to kick off the high idle. See what it sounds like on low idle. Hopefully no leaks anywhere. Burning off a bit of WD-40 that I put on the bolts on the manifold there. Sounds pretty good. So far, I'm happy. Sounds like it should. Let's see if there's any fault codes. No fault codes. That is a result. Let's have a look at the measuring blocks. Let's see what the cam deviation is. Well, wouldn't you know? That looks bang on. So both sides are adjusting together. 48 means that the inlet camshaft is retarded. So we're on cold start. Yeah, that's retarded. And the adjustment are all the same. Before, one of them was way out, well, 2 was like on 13 and the other one was on 0. Number 1 was on 0 and bank 2 was on 13, so there's definitely something wrong with it. But yeah, they're both adjusting together. I'm quite happy with that. Any more information? No. It's all just zeros. Yeah. So far so good. So I'll run it up to temperature. Make sure the coolant's bled properly because I've had the supercharger off and that's water cooled. Check back for codes later, but really if there was going to be a code it would have popped it up straight away and there's nothing coming up. So that is a result. Let's have a look at the fuel pressures. That looks pretty good. Specified and the actual are very close together, so that means that that's working all properly. What else can we see? have a look at the lambda sensors. So bank 1 and bank 2 are very closely matched, so that means they're running good. We're trying to achieve lambda 1. Lambda 1 means stoichiometric, which is 14 parts air to 1 part fuel. A lower number than 1 means fuel rich. Here's the misfire. The adaptions will probably be irrelevant until I've taken it for a drive, as I've cleared the faults recently. So yeah, no point looking at them yet. Last check, make sure nothing's popped up. No. So that is a result.